In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Update Settings. Click on it, then select Advanced Options. Next, click Optional Updates. If you see any Bluetooth driver updates available, install them and then restart your computer. If that doesn't fix the issue, go back to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available Windows updates and restart your PC once the installation is complete. For the next method, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it and expand the Bluetooth section. Find your Bluetooth device, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the on-screen instructions. If Windows finds a newer driver, install it and restart your computer. As a final step, search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now type the following command and press Enter. sfc/scan now. Wait for the scan to complete. This tool will check for and repair corrupted system files that may be causing Bluetooth issues. Once the scan is finished, restart your computer and check if Bluetooth is working properly again. And that's how to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.